with the indicator normally, you know. Yeah. And stay here on this lane, and the direction is highway. Okay, two lines are combined. The very important thing is you look inside, outside, side of check, yeah. And the speed, the high speed is 50. No? That's a combination here. That's a dangerous sign and speed sign. Then the speed is valid for the dangerous situation. Yeah, that's really nice. Yeah, it's better as in Laos, no? In Laos you wish to close to the left. Down here a little bit critical. We are driving now downhill, and we have to go on the right side. Yeah. Check. Yes, the indicator not to look too long, no? If you look too long, then you lost your way, no? And you drive then here in the border, no? Okay? Really nice. And 50 kilometers. Yeah. We have here a head-up display, and we can see good enough speed. Today is a little bit easier to drive. Why? We have not so lot of trucks driving here. Not a lot of trucks driving here in this street. So now here you can see in the green 70 and power. 70, not more. Yeah. More central on your feet. And the direction is airport. Düsseldorf airport. You drive now the roller coaster. The blue sign with the white bridge in it, it means highway. And you give gas 100 now. The speed limit is 100, but pay attention. It's not allowed to overtake on the right. No? If you drive 100, that's enough. You can see that. 100, no. 97 is also okay. Here comes the blue sign with the directions, and we turn right. Düsseldorf airport. For 300 meters, you make the indicator on and drive fluently. Never brake on a highway. That's a big mistake to make. No, you brake on a highway, you brake the trucks behind you, and go on the right. Yes. Very good. And indicator off, because we drive direction Mönchengladbach, Düsseldorf, Herbert. This is really important. Yeah, really important to drive. So now check. Check. Check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, make it a little bit slower. Yeah? Calm down, deep breath. No, shoulders down. That's a really important thing. No, calm down. And passion. So here is the speed 80. That's okay. And stay on this lane. Take the left lane. The direction is Mönchengladbach. The first round I commented, yeah, and then the next you drive south without commands, and now it is thank you for your likes, and this is the speed is now depend from how you look, how far you can look. If you look far, you can drive a little bit faster. If you see nothing, then the drive speed is 50 here. This curves are constructed for 50. Thank you. So now full speed, 30 kilometers, a little bit slow. Full power, stay here and change with 90. And change. 90 is a good speed. Why? The trucks are driving 90.